Hello, this is the second video in the JITbase gateway installation. As you can see, all is green on my virtual machine, which I installed using Hyper-V. The gateway is up and running. If I go to the Edge portal, I see that my gateway is green, and so I now have access to the JITbase cloud via the gateway. If I go back to overview, we'll see now that the gateway is properly connected to the cloud, and now I can start connecting my machines. There is another document about how to connect your machines using the different protocols. I wanted to draw your attention first to the Tools tab. Here, the Tools tab, these are network tools that are integrated in the gateway. So these are running on the gateway. There's a server running within the gateway that has these network tools installed. And so it allows you to ping the IP address of a CNC machine to see if it responds and see if it is connected or visible to the gateway. Curl is practical if you're using MT-Connect. You can make a web call to the MT-Connect agent and see if you get the MT-Connect XML file back. That means the gateway is able to see the MT-Connect protocol. And Nmap is very useful when you want to verify if focus is up and running on your CNC machine. And so the Nmap, the focus port is 8193. So you can run the Nmap tool and it will return whether port 8193 is open or closed on the specific machine that you've selected. And so that is the JITbase gateway. If you had any issues with the installation, please contact JITbase and we will go through some diagnostics with you to see where the problem occurred. Thank you very much for your attention.